In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a DocuSign envelope as a CSV. If you're managing documents on DocuSign and need a simple way to export information from your envelopes, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's dive in and get started on this incredibly useful feature. First and foremost, you'll want to direct your attention to the Agreements tab within your DocuSign account. This tab is your gateway to all the envelopes you've created or received, and it's where you'll find the specific envelope data you need. Once you're in the Agreements tab, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should see a list of envelopes. These are essentially your digital packets that contain documents, and they're often organized sequentially or by specific criteria you've set up. Next, you have the task of selecting the envelope or envelopes that you wish to export as a CSV file. DocuSign provides you with flexibility, so if you're managing multiple envelopes and need to export data from more than one at a time, you can do that here. Otherwise, simply click on the envelope you're interested in. This part of the process allows you to pinpoint exactly which data you want to export, making it tailored to your specific needs. Now let's move on to the export itself. Once you've selected your desired envelope, take a closer look at your options. It may take a few seconds to find, but you're looking for a subtle 3 dots icon, often referred to as the More Options icon. This icon holds the key to various commands and hidden actions you can perform on the envelope. Click on this 3 dots icon and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Export as CSV. Go ahead and click on this option. DocuSign will immediately initiate the download. In just a matter of seconds, the CSV file containing your envelope data will appear in your computer's download folder. This file format is incredibly versatile, making it easy to manage, sort, and analyze your document data using software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet application you're familiar with. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward clicks and selections, you've successfully exported your DocuSign envelope as a CSV file. It's a simple process, but one that can significantly benefit your work, especially if you're handling a large volume of documents and need an efficient way to manage and analyze data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more DocuSign tips and tricks. And if you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Have a great day and happy document managing.